Hello everyone, I'm Megan and I'm a volunteer at Team for Youth in Romania. Today I'm going to show you how to create a butterfly pencil cup for your desk with simple materials you can find at home. For this DIY, I used a toilet paper tube, some colored paper, a white cardboard, 1 crepe paper, 4 white tassels, 6 stickers, some glue, and scissors. First of all, I need a white cardboard paper. I will use my toilet paper tube to create a circle for the bottom of my pencil cap. I cut it and stick it with glue under it. Then, to create the body of my butterfly, I will need some colorful paper. You can use any kind of decorative paper you want and have. I wrap the tube in the paper and fix it with glue. You can also use double-faced tape if you have some. I didn't. So as you can see, I chose a red paper. I placed my toilet paper tube on it to help me draw the wings of my butterfly. I cut out the wing and with its help I will draw the other one. We have our wings now, but I want to decorate them, so I will take some purple crepe paper and stick my wing on it. The next step is so fun. You can decorate your wings with whatever you have in hands, pearls, buttons, colored sand, pens. I use stickers and white tassels. Then our butterfly needs eyes, so I draw them on a white paper. I added a little smile to my butterfly. Last but not least, I need to fix the wings with glue. I placed straws for the antennas. Look at the results. Do you like it? You can do one too, or any other animals or creatures. Have fun with it. Bye!